Welcome back to Technology 3.0, your digital frontier for the latest, boldest, and most honest deep dives into the world of tech. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because today we're cracking open a beast that might just redefine the mid-premium smartphone category, the Honor 400 Pro. Now, we've seen a lot of smartphones this year, from the titans like the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, to challengers from Xiaomi, Vivo, and even OnePlus. But what Honor is doing here? Well, it's got everyone in the industry paying attention. Let's dive in deep. Honor started as a sub-brand of Huawei, aimed at younger users and budget markets. But after spinning off in 2020, it's evolved. It's no longer just a value brand. It's now a serious contender. The Honor 90 series, the 100, 200, and now, we've arrived at the Honor 400 Pro. A device that's not just leaning into trends, but setting new ones. We've seen glimpses of this evolution with their foldables and Magic series. But the 400 Pro isn't just a spec bump. It's an identity statement. Let's talk aesthetics. The Honor 400 Pro arrives with a design language that screams refined futuristic. We're talking curved edges, a ceramic-like matte finish, and an ultra-slim chassis that makes even flagship phones feel bulky. It features a 6.81-inch AMOLED display, slightly curved at the edges but not too slippery. Honor has worked hard to balance form and grip, and they nailed it. It comes in striking colors: Arctic Silver, Midnight Purple, and a limited edition Jade Green, with each finish feeling like it was crafted, not manufactured. That 6.81-inch AMOLED panel? It's not just large, it's stunning. We're looking at a 1.5K resolution with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Peak brightness reaches a whopping 2,600 nits, making outdoor visibility a non-issue. HDR10+, 2160Hz PWM dimming for eye comfort, and ultra-low latency touch response mean whether you're gaming, binge-watching, or editing, you're getting pro-tier performance. And yes, it supports LTPO tech, making that refresh rate smart. It shifts from 1 Hz to 120 Hz seamlessly, preserving battery without compromising on fluidity. Under the hood, the Honor 400 Pro runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the latest in Qualcomm's lineup tailored for power efficiency without sacrificing top-tier performance. Paired with 12 or 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage up to 512 gigabytes, this phone flies through tasks. Multitasking? Flawless. High-end gaming? Barely breaks a sweat. We ran Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, and even the demanding Tower of Fantasy at max settings. And the thermal stayed cool thanks to Honor's new AI liquid cooling chamber. On the software side, it's running Magic OS 8.0 based on Android 14. Honor has cleaned things up massively in the past year. Gone are the heavy-handed bloatware days. Magic OS is now lightweight, fast, and packed with AI enhancements that feel purposeful. Smart folders, widget stacking, system-wide color adaptation, and deep multitasking gestures make this skin feel intuitive. Honor has also promised 3 years of major Android updates and 4 years of security patches. Not pixel level, but definitely promising for the price. Here's where it gets interesting. The Honor 400 Pro packs a 50MP Sony IMX906 main sensor with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 32MP 2.5x telephoto. And it performs. Daylight photos are crisp, color-accurate, and detailed. Low-light shots benefit from Honor's new night fusion algorithm. The telephoto delivers strong zoom up to 10x digital without heavy loss. The ultra-wide doubles as a macro lens and produces zero distortion on the edges. The front camera? A 50MP wide-angle selfie cam with 4K video support and AI beauty enhancements that don't feel artificial. This phone was clearly made with vloggers and content creators in mind. The 400 Pro is powered by a 5,200 mAh battery with 100W wired Honor Supercharge and 66W wireless charging. And yes, there's reverse wireless too. In real-world testing, that battery lasts through 1.5 days of mixed usage. And that's with 120 Hz enabled full time. From 0 to 100, just under 28 minutes wired. Wireless gets you there in about 45 minutes. Honor even added a battery health engine to minimize battery wear over time, a big plus for those who hold on to phones longer. This is a 2025 ready phone. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, dual 5G SIMs with eSIM support, and an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that's lightning fast. The dual stereo speakers are tuned with DTS, X Ultra, and surprisingly full. Bass presence is decent, mids are crisp, and highs are clean. There's even spatial audio support when paired with Honor earbuds. No headphone jack, of course, but that's no surprise in this tier anymore. AI is everywhere in the Honor 400 Pro. From its camera algorithms to voice typing, smart translation, and contextual widgets, it learns and adapts. One standout, Magic Capsule, an AI assistant that learns your habits and serves predictive actions. Think of it like a blend of Google Assistant and Samsung's Bixby routines, but actually useful. It can open your fitness app when you unplug headphones, remind you to hydrate based on your heart rate data, and even suggest focus mode when you enter the office. Creepy? Maybe. Useful? Absolutely. So what does this cost? The Honor 400 Pro starts around $599 globally, and that's without cutting corners. It undercuts the Galaxy S24 and iPhone 15, while outperforming many of their specs on paper. You're getting a flagship-grade display, strong Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 performance, elite-level cameras, reliable battery life, rapid charging, software with actual thought put into it. If Honor continues this path, the brand isn't just competing, it's leading. So, is the Honor 400 Pro worth it? I'd say absolutely. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, a multitasker, or just someone who wants the most bang for your buck, the Honor 400 Pro delivers. Let me know in the comments. Is this your next smartphone? Would you pick this over a Galaxy or an iPhone? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology 3.0. We're just getting started, and 2025 is going to be a wild ride in tech. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and stay connected.